click on Install. Click on Begin 3-Step Setup. Users can view dashboard and then also click on Create My AI Assets Now to proceed. Users must select a subscription plan to continue. They can choose a plan based on their product count, blog count, and inception pages needs, and they may pay monthly or annually. Click on Select this plan to proceed. Click on Approve to start onboarding. Users are first asked to enable inception pages with its description shown below. After Save and Continue, users are asked to enable product cards with the description shown below. Users can adjust or change these selections any time in Settings. After completing the product card setup, the onboarding flow ends and the user is taken to the product dashboard. Users can configure each feature at any time in the Settings menu on the left. Users can click Add Excluded Product to choose products to exclude from inception pages. Multiple products can be selected. Multiple products can be selected. Click on Remove 3 Selected to remove all selected products. Users can click Add Excluded Blog Post to exclude specific blogs from product cards. Multiple blogs can be selected. Multiple blogs can be selected. Click on Remove 2 Selected to remove all selected blogs. Users can also click the button to select their main products. Multiple main products can be selected. Multiple main products can be selected. Click on Remove 2 Selected to remove all selected products. Users can view their current progress and results in the Product Cards section on the left. Users can also view their inception page's progress and results in the section on the left. Users can publish or unpublish one or multiple inception pages at any time. Users can publish or unpublish one or multiple inception pages at any time. Users can publish or unpublish one or multiple inception pages at any time. Done!